Welcome back to Happily Home Cooking. Today we're heading to Costco to show you our favorite chicken bake hack. Costco's chicken bakes are one of our favorite food court items. They're packed with chicken, bits of bacon, and ranch sauce in a chewy, delicious crust. With just a few ingredients and only 5 minutes after getting them home, we'll upgrade these into a complete meal packed with flavor, texture, and added nutrition, making these chicken bakes into the best gourmet version of themselves. We're even going to do 2 different variations of this easy hack, so come on into the kitchen and let's make the ultimate Costco chicken bakes. So for our first chicken bake hack, we're going to pack these with spinach, roasted peppers, and sharp white cheddar cheese. And you can get all of these ingredients at Costco when you're picking up your chicken bake. When you get home, just add a bit of olive oil to a pan and a couple good handfuls of some fresh spinach. Spinach cooks up super quick. It will wilt down in just a minute or 2. We like to just lightly season our spinach with some ground black pepper and red pepper flakes. You can get a giant bottle of red pepper flakes at Costco as well, but that's one thing we like to just get a small bottle of from our local grocery store. They last a long time. Once that spinach is mostly wilted, we'll add some jarred roasted peppers. We found these in a 2-pack at our local Costco and are really loving them. They're such an easy way to add flavor and texture to any dish. Add as much as you like, and then we'll let this cook another minute or 2, just to heat those peppers through. Now grab that chicken bake, we'll slice open the top and stuff it with our spinach and peppers. Then we're going to pop it back into our pan and we'll top it with a little shredded cheese. This aged white cheddar is one of our favorites. It has a bold, sharp flavor and just a little bit adds so much to this chicken bake. We'll add a tablespoon of water and cover it with a lid for another couple minutes. This will both melt our cheese on top and make sure that our chicken bake is nice and hot. And boom, your chicken bake just got an upgrade, and your taste buds and stomach are in for a delicious treat. My husband and I will split one of these often and feel completely satisfied with this easy handheld meal. Not only are we getting the chicken and the soft chewy crust, but we're also getting a serving of veggies as well, which makes us feel great too. It's a great quick lunch after that Costco shopping trip. If this is looking good to you, hit the like button and drop us a yum in the comments. And don't go anywhere though, because we have another idea for you too. So if you're more of a mushroom lover than spinach and peppers, check this one out. You can stuff your bake with mushrooms and jalapeno instead. We'll just use some baby bella mushrooms, a little fresh jalapeno, and of course, we're gonna add a little extra cheese. If you want mild flavor, you can remove the seeds from your jalapeno, or if you're a spice fanatic, leave them in. I love this jalapeno coring tool. It makes removing the seeds and veins from jalapenos so easy. We're going to use just half a jalapeno for our one chicken bake, though you could use as much as you want. I'll save the other half for something else. If you want to see what else we use jalapenos in, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Along with our jalapeno, we'll thickly slice some mushrooms. Then, just like our spinach and peppers, they'll cook up in just a few minutes in a pan. A little olive oil first. Everybody into the pool. And season them to your liking. I do like to add a bit of sea salt to our mushrooms to help them release their water and bring out their flavor. We'll also add some black pepper here as well. Cook them for a few minutes, and when they're looking so good you want to eat them, slice open that chicken bake and stuff them in. We'll also top it with a bit of cheese. This is another item we frequently get at Costco. You get a variety of 4 different cheeses that are already sliced, making it easy to add a little cheesy goodness to suit your mood. I'm going to go with a combination of Havarti and Gouda today for a mild, creamy flavor. I'm going to alternate them because that's just as fancy as I'm getting today. And again, we'll throw this back into the pan, add a tablespoon of water, and cover the pan to melt our cheese and heat our chicken bake through. Hello there. How good do these look? If you have other ideas for stuffing and upgrading Costco's chicken bakes, drop them in the comments. We always love getting new ideas. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by hitting the like button. Thank you so much for hanging out in the kitchen with me today for this quick and easy lunch hack. And an extra big thank you to our subscribers. We appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed and enjoy making good food at home, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss all the family favorite recipes we're sharing with you. We'll see you next time. Have a beautiful day and happy home cooking!